Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Good morning to all seminar attendees. Thank you to the committee for giving me the opportunity to present my article. My article title is Development of Modern Physics Learning Devices Using Inquiry Learning Model Assisted with Virtual Path Media to Improve the Student Cognitive Learning Result. My name is Susilawati. Introduction. The problem of modern physics learning is that students still have difficulty understanding the concept that exists in modern physics courses that seem abstract and inadequate learning media. How to solve this? This study aims to developing modern physics learning tools with a guided inquiry learning model, assisted by PET virtual media on the cognitive learning outcome of students. Virtual media PETs Colorado simulation can display an abstract physics animation or cannot be seen by the naked eyes, such as atom, electron, photon, and electrical field. The method. This result is the research and development that use the 4D model development model to develop modern physics learning tools with a guided inquiry learning model assisted by virtual media. This research was conducted in the Physics Education Study Program of Mataram University to determine the effectiveness of the resulting product. A trial application was carried out in the learning process. The trial design used was very free experimental designs with one group pre-test post-test design. The sample used was all undergraduate students who were the object of the study, which means that the sample was not chosen randomly. The method of effectiveness of learning devices. The improvement of student cognitive learning outcome was analyzed using the N-gain test. The N-gain test is carried out using the formula N-gain. The table criteria of N-gain improvement is using the table 1, this table to interval and criteria for N-gain. The development using 4D is 4D. This define. The first is define. Define this problem analysis learning, and then design establishment of learning material, expert review, and then valid or no, and no. If no, the revision. If the yes, the practicality testing and effectiveness testing and revision. This is develop learning material, and then the disseminate diffusion of learning material is the 4D, the last one. Result and discussion. The description of student cognitive learning outcome in the form of the pre-test and post-test in modern physics courses is shown in the table below. Description of pre-test and post-test. The value of pre-test and post-test. The average is 44.30 and the post-test is 81.05. This is a graph for the N-gain value of each respondent. Discussion. The application of the PET virtual media assisted inquiry learning model is very helpful in the providing understanding that modern physics material is provided. The use of PET virtual media is also very helpful in the learning process in accordance with the nature of learning physics. PET simulation is very effective in helping students build understanding and intuition for abstract phenomena. For example, the photoelectric effect material. By using PhD, students can observe the effect of photoelectricity directly and try to do experiments to find out the quantities that affect the relationship of each quantity. This, of course, will greatly help students to better understand the material. The conclusion: modern physics learning tools with the guided inquiry learning model assisted by PhD virtual media have good validity, are practical and effective in improving the cognitive learning outcome of the student. The result of the analysis show that the development of modern physics learning tools using guided inquiry learning with virtual media PhD is effective for improving student cognitive learning outcome with a gain value of 0.7 in the moderate category. This is references, and thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.